Hi there, I'm Stephen Weathers and I'm going to be doing a short video series on how to use a variety of food and grocery ordering apps like DoorDash, Postmates, Instacart, and things like that. I only have access to an Android phone currently as I am trapped in the complex, but hopefully I can get a hold of a friend's iPhone or iOS device at some point, show you how those apps work on that system as well. But I can't see them being too much different, so this is probably good enough for now. So why am I doing this? We are currently living in very trying times on account of a pandemic that I think is the first thing of this level happening in my lifetime. And everyone has been essentially requested to stay in their house and not leave ever again, except for brisk walks or trips to a store. So I think this would be useful information for a variety of people, especially for those who are immunocompromised and really shouldn't be leaving the house. Right now, at least. Or for those who don't have younger, healthier family members who can go to grocery shop for them or pick up food, and I think that's kind of a big deal. So stick with me and we'll begin. Thanks. I'm going to be walking you through how to order from the DoorDash app. When you first on here, you can adjust your address. You can add a new address with that little button right there, or edit one of your previous ones. Then you can browse by category if you want pizza, Italian, Thai, so forth. Let's go with Mexican. You can adjust the star rating of your restaurant, much like with any other review app of any kind. You can make something within a 30-minute delivery window or whenever it gets there. You can do just pickup, you can do just vegetarian, you can adjust how much you want to spend for depending on what will show up. And then it'll just kind of show you everything within the nearby area. Places that will deliver to your deliver address, essentially. Let's try MJ's Fusion Deli. It's a favorite place of mine. It has a $3 delivery charge, should be here within 25 minutes, is only 1.2 miles away. By default it's set to delivery, but you can also do pickup, which has no delivery fee. The featured items is usually the most popular, but you can also browse by the different categories: breakfast, lunch, specials, pick your own, which is usually what I end up doing. I usually go for a Buddha bowl. Buddha bowl with shrimp or no shrimp. Shrimp is an additional $2. Well, $2.76. I'm not gonna add shrimp. You get one meat choice, and then a second meat choice. Let's go with the apple and pear glazed beef. And the spicy longanisa. You get eggs with it. Let's go with over medium. And a drink of choice for an extra charge. Bottled water is free, which is interesting. Oh, because it's a combo bowl. That's right. The Buddha bowl comes with a drink. And then fancy drinks are slightly more. So an upcharge of 85 cents, 65 cents, so on. Let's go with a Dr. Pepper. They also have in-house special drinks, like boba teas, if you're familiar. And recommended beverages, of course. You can add that to your cart. And you can go through and add something else, if you would like something else. You can hit View Cart. And it'll have a synopsis of your order. Buddha bowl, apple pear glazed beef, sweet spicy longanisa, over medium egg, and a Dr. Pepper. If anything's unavailable, they'll reach out, send you a text or a phone call if they have to change something for some reason. They also have last-minute impulse aisle buys, essentially. The Thai tea's pretty good. There's currently a 25% off promo, so I'm saving $4.50. There is a $3 delivery fee, and the taxes and fees are also $3.50. It happens, this is delivery. If you go for the Dash Pass, which is $10 a month, you get free delivery fees on everything, as long as you're paying for the subscription. Which, if I did this more, maybe. But we're just going to check out. Here you can input your address. Here my saved address is, you can add a new one right there. It works pretty well if you have good enough Wi-Fi. Or just data. Currently the default is leave at the door. There are other options, but right now it's just leave at my door for obvious reasons. You can choose if you'd like this to show up later. In some cases, even the next day. I can have this show up Tuesday. And then you can also tip the dasher. Please be kind to your drivers. They are doing a service right now. And your payment choice. Then you would hit place order, and a little mini map would pop up showing you where the food is and an estimated time of arrival. I have already had lunch, so I'm not going to. And that is really all there is to DoorDash. At the very end, you'll be asked for a small survey of the quality of delivery and the quality of the food. It's like 3 questions, very quick, very simple. I think you might be able to even add more of a tip if you felt like it at the very end. I'm not 100% sure. But that is DoorDash.